So in today's training, we're going to go through how to make your landing pages mobile in Instapage, or basically why you need them mobile and what it looks like if you don't have a mobile in any landing page software. It doesn't really matter. It's just extremely important because almost all of Google's search traffic now is becoming more mobile. I mean, a lot of it is mobile already. So it's really important that you guys do this. So if you can see here, we're logged into Instapage, which is our landing page software. It's, in my opinion, the easiest landing page software there is. Everything is drag and drop, and you just move it around, and you can see here the green line here is make sure it's centered. Your logos, your numbers, everything, your contact forms. It integrates with all of the major Aweber, everything, GetResponse, everything integrations. I'll drop a link to a free trial for Instapage so you can come in here and start playing around with different designs for free and see if you like it. Besides that, all right, so we're on Instapage and we have our generic plumbing landing page here. And so we just built this page. Now we have to make sure the mobile looks good. So all you do is come up here. You can see we're in desktop. Click over to mobile. And you'll see it's all laid out here, nice and neat. That looks good. All right, I didn't do the testimonial here, and I didn't do the services part. So this is what it looks like if I would have never done it. Testimonials look good, and the conclusion looks good. So you can see if I never did anything, it would look like shit. People come to this page and be like, what the hell is this? And everything's all over the place. You know what I mean? And to do it, I would just move stuff around, Maybe we'll just put these little icons over here. Something like that. Looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to go too in depth, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to drag and drop and make these things whatever you want them to look like, which is pretty cool. Then we have our little back shadow here. We'll put a picture and then maybe a little box. All right, so you can see what I'm doing here. Just making the mobile version look more friendly and look good. And this is the ease of it. It's so simple. See what I mean? If I wanted to just move this whole thing at once, I do alignment. Or if I want to align it, which already is aligned, looks pretty good. All right, so I would take this. And now let's say I did the whole thing and I fixed all this too. Because that's the only section I think left to fix, and everything else looks good. I would just hit update, and then it makes it live on the page. This probably would actually be better if I centered it. You know what? I don't even want these little icons, so I would hide those. Maybe center this. See what that looks like. Much better. All right, cool. Hit update, and that makes it live. So you can see how easy this is. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And there's a lot of other landing page softwares that are kind of like Instapage, but Instapage, in my opinion, is the easiest to use. It is it's just so simple, and they never go down. They never have issues, which is really nice. And I mean, everything's just so customizable. You can have up here as a whole little. You can have buttons, videos, images, different forms, and the forms integrate with almost, I mean, everything you think of. Check this out. These are all integrations that you can do with Aweber, or with Instapage. Aweber's up here. So pretty cool. Like I said, I'll put a link to Instapage. You can get a free trial in the description below this video, and you can play around in here. And we don't have to pay for it, so that's positive. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video. And like I said, make sure, it's so important, guys, that every landing page you're using in Google Ads has to be mobile friendly. It has to be. You can't risk it anymore. If it's not mobile friendly, you're just bouncing traffic off your page, and it's total waste of money. So make sure, no matter what software you're using, I don't even care if it's this page, doesn't matter. Make sure whatever software you're using, that you're doing like nicely streamlined mobile landing pages. All right, very, very important. So like I said, subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up on this video if you can, and check out the links in the description. I'll put all that stuff in there for you.